Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Marcos from Equipment Out Pressure Washer back again with another video. In this video, this fence right here is going to get clean. I'm not going to use my regular materials. What I'm going to do, I'm going to buy some stuff out of the store and I'm going to use that so you can be able to clean your own fence, because sometimes it's kind of hard to get the materials that professionals use to clean houses and fences. So this right here, you should be able to go to your local Walmart and pick it up. All right, let's get started. This is my regular sodium hypochlorite solution, which is a 12.5%. This is bleach. We're not going to use that because this is kind of hard to get for a lot of people. So what we're going to use is this. We're going to use this Pool Essential that you can get from Walmart. And if you can look right here, the sodium hypochlorite is 10%. So this is 10%. This right here is 12. So it's not as strong, but you can go buy this off the shelf at Walmart. So we're gonna use this right here, and we're just gonna use some Gain dish detergent to mix this. Okay, we're gonna make this real simple. Okay, like I said, we're gonna use Gain dish soap. We're gonna use this Pool Essential. And we're going to use this pump sprayer, which is a 2-gallon pump sprayer. And we're going to change this 10% sodium hypochlorite down to a 2.5%. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to fill this up with a 1/2 gallon of this Pool Essential. So we're just going to pour this in to a 1/2 gallon. That's a 1/2 gallon. Close this up. Now we're going to put 1.5 gallons of water. So while this is filling up with water, like I said, we're just going to add 1.5 gallons of water to the 1/2 gallon of SH. If you haven't seen my other video where I'm mixing my regular 12% down to the same kind of mix, check that video out in the description. Now when you're mixing this in your pump sprayer, keep in mind you are mixing bleach in this. So if you leave the bleach in this pump sprayer, the pump sprayer is going to start working on you. So make sure you have another way to store this, so that way you want to keep buying pump sprayers when you need it. And when I finish using the pump sprayer, I go back and wash it out. Okay. That is 2 gallons. Okay, so now we're just gonna take Gain dish soap. Now, another thing, when you put dish soap in the bleach, it's gonna make this weaker. So most likely when you put dish soap in your mix, just go ahead and use the mix up, because if you let it sit for a week or so, it's not gonna be as strong. So we're just gonna pour some in here. Okay, I'm putting this in because I'm using this for surfactant. I'm not using this to clean. The bleach is gonna do all the cleaning. So what I'm using this for is a surfactant, so that way when I spray it on the fence, it's gonna stick to the fence. So we got that in. I put a generous amount, maybe a 1/4 cup or something like that. I don't know. You don't need that much, but you want to make sure that you have enough to make it soapy. So now what we do, we're gonna put this on. Shake. As you shake it. Now as you shake this, you should see a lot of soap and everything. So if you see it soaping up, then it's good to go. All right, let's go ahead and spray this fence, and we're gonna see what happens. Okay, I'm here at the fence. I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling this up. I'm just gonna spray it on here. section right here. So if you really think about it, that's an 8-foot section. You can do 4 sections with a 2-gallon pump spray. Notice everything whitened up and everything, but this green mold, I'm gonna show you closer. The green mold and algae that's not coming off, you're gonna have to use a pressure washer to get that off. You can spray a little bit more to get it off, and try to help kill it. But that is the difference between using the professional and this. You know, this will work, but professional will work a little bit better. So in order to get that off, you can make the mix stronger. You can even apply straight out the bottle and stuff like that if you think that would help to get that green off. But since I'm pressure washing, the only thing I'm doing is just gonna spray a little bit more. This side. Okay, now that you've seen this stuff in action, now I'm gonna go ahead and wash it off with the pressure washer and get it all clean and get all the chemical off the fence. If you don't have a pressure washer, just take a water hose and kind of spray it to at least try to, rinse it off or something. Don't leave it on there because it may damage the fence. I don't leave it on there too long. I just put it on there and I go back and pressure wash it. So I'm not gonna tell you just put it on there and leave it. Go back and rinse it off. Don't leave this stuff on there. As you can see, this is the final product after I washed it with the pressure washer. And remember, the stuff that I use, the stuff that you can buy at Walmart or any kind of cool supply store, and just throw that on in the pump sprayer and then spray it on the fence. You've seen how that works. As soon as I was spraying it, the fence started lighting it up. If you can't find the regular SH bleach, then what you need to do is go to Walmart, like I said, get the Pool Essential, works just as good. Follow the instructions, get it down to 2% or 2.5%. So that means half a gallon of the Pool Essential and a gallon and a half of water. Do that, you'll get these results. results right here. And if you don't have a pressure washer, make sure that you take your water hose and at least rinse the fluid off. Okay, I hope that you learned something from this video. If you like it, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? I need more people to subscribe to the channel. It doesn't take that much time to hit the little button down at the bottom right there. So do that for me. Please subscribe to the channel and then turn on the notification bell so you know when my next video is coming out. This is Marcos from Aquemini Pressure Washer. I'll see you in the next video.
It's him and I, Aquemini.